I bring that to your attention because I want you to see carefully how words can make a difference when these officers are being charged by internal affairs or their commanding officers. Here's a James McDonald, white male again. He removed a TV from a house on Holt Street, failed to file a report concerning the TV, remove it from the trunk of his city car, or turn it into the Macon Police Department crime lab until several months later, on August 26, 2003, after being questioned about the TV by Detective Tracy Brzee. Charges: processing property and evidence, not theft. Discipline: only a written reprimand. Discipline, like power, is good when properly applied. It will inspire and modify behavior, or reveal that behavior will not or cannot be corrected. Webster's dictionary definition of discipline is instructions, training of the mind or body or the moral faculties, subjection to authorities, self-control, to train, to improve behavior by judicious penal method. I put this human illustration here because I wanted to explain to the court that when you hire a person as a police officer, you have to completely train ignorance, arrogance, racism, stupidity, and all of those other personal characteristics out of a person that is not conducive to that person being able to serve and protect all kinds of people all of the time. Now, I went at that judicial and penal description in order to break down exactly what that meant. Judicious relate to exhibiting sound judgment when you are dealing with discipline in any form. And it does not say that discipline is punishment, but the penal part of it states that as related to punishment, not punishment, exclamation point. Disciplinary action is intended to alert the employee of inappropriate behavior, document infractions, determine state of the employee for corrective counseling, document progressive bad patterns of behavior, and justify termination if necessary. Awards and commendations are intended to document excellent work performance, encourage personal development, show appreciation, praise for outstanding service delivery, and honor courage and bravery. Now that's exactly what Officer Calloway has been about. He received his top award in 2002 for weed and seed activities in a community that brought crime down in a poverty-stricken community 40%. He and about 3 other police officers. And at the bottom is the Officer of the Year award. I'll explain those a little bit later. Praise, awards, commendations, and firm, fair, and equal discipline all go hand in hand with discipline to mold attitudes and behavior to ensure quality institutional integrity. Let's talk about the officer for a minute. Officer Calloway's Performance Awards. He received the Medal of Valor for courage and bravery under fire, Officer of the Year from a national organization of black law enforcement executives, outstanding performance during the year 2002 for the Weed and Seed program in disadvantaged communities, and again in 2004, outstanding performance in the Weed and Seed program. Does these awards and these commendations mean anything to the police chief? None of Officer Calloway's performance awards meant anything to Chief Burns, according to his testimony at this hearing. The question is, why not? Cliques mean different things to different people. In Florida, police cliques kill people in drug wars. In Indiana, police cliques profile black men by filling weekend quotas of arrest. And in Macon Police Department, clique stacks charges against some officers, but not others. Macon Police Department's main cliques seem to unfairly discipline black and female officers. Note, Captain Wayne Avery testified that cliques exist everywhere. This may be true, but they are no good for police departments based on the nature of their role in society. The good old boy clique in Macon Police Department seem to condone crime and corruption among some officers and condemn and fire others, especially blacks and female officers, for the same, similar, or lesser infractions. The police is not always right when dealing with their own or others. Let's talk about Webster's Dictionary of a Lie. And this is what this case has been all about. Whether or not Officer Calloway lied in his discussion of rumors that were circulating through the police department. Lie is defined as to utter untruth, to misrepresent, to deceive, to make false statements. Right here in the hearing, Lieutenant Tracy Brzee testified under oath that there was no race discrimination within the police department. But when given a statement that she herself had published citing race-based discrimination in the police department, she had to admit that the paper she had written before was the truth and the testimony she had given was